Welcome. We're back. What's going on? Good morning. Brandy, welcome. John. And Red is here. Good morning, Red. All right. Let's start off the good old London session. Yono, what's up? What's up? Good evening. All right. All right. Well, I marked up some levels here on the chart. We have a 1 hour BC, obviously as sell side. What a drop. What a drop here. Was this because Trump announced that he's going to do like tax against Mexico and China? I was reading something like that yesterday. Anyway, quite a drop. Created a new low at the Asia session, technically right at the open, 755. Let's see how far it will go. So far, it seems like it wants to go down to that 64-ish area. And yeah, that's it. Going down to 64. That could be the target. 71. I would go for the 1 hour BC if this would continue to drop. That's for sure. But anyway. Mike, what's up? Welcome. Okay. We're hovering right at the midnight area here. We have a new day opening gap just above midnight. So the midnight level is just the low of the new day opening gap. And we have the high right there. I'd say the draw on liquidity for now could be down here on that 1 hour BC. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency level. Let's look around on the 5-minute chart. Nothing special. I thought that this is going to take out this high on this push. I mean, it could, but it didn't do it yet. So far, nothing special on the mini. All right. Looks like it might want to go down. It might want to go down a little bit more. Broke structure, shifted structure actually on the 1 minute. 2 times already. So that's a bearish sign. J.R. Mohi. What up? What up? Good morning. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, I would say it can go definitely below the 70. Look at that. It wants it. It just wants it. We don't really have any special news here, I think. So I'm just gonna wait to see what's happening. I'm not going to chase it. Obviously, it can just sweep this little bit of liquidity here and there. You know, if I zoom it out, it swept this low and this one, so it can just push back higher. So I'm gonna wait a little bit here and see what's going on. Tommy, good morning. Good to see you. All right. What else do we have? What else do we have? Nothing else. A bit of a unbalanced price on the 5-minute micro here at 83. That's all. Nothing special. So far, I like the idea that this one can go lower. I gotta say, I like the idea. Okay, I'm actually looking to go short. But I'm still waiting. Not sure. Not sure. Not sure. Tempting, but okay. This one might want to go, but still, it's not it. But it's tempting. It's really, really tempting to go short to 70, actually. We do have some volume, that's for sure. We definitely have some volume here. Okay, maybe this one. I'm just gonna wait. I have to wait. Bearish engulfing candle on the 1 minute. That's pretty much a bearish sign, especially repricing this gap higher. I think it would look buy side first, 935. After it go down, maybe. Naomi, good to see you. How you doing, Naomi? What up? Jacques, good morning. Mihails, welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Tron, watch out. Trump is waking up at this hour and grabbing his phone. Yeah, I think he might do that. He has a habit to do that, right? I mean, it looked a little bit bearish repricing this area, then maybe go down into that 1 hour level. Interesting, but what do we see on the hourly? This is the hourly chart. Nice little spike up there. I'd like to see a continuation in the sell-off, you know, especially after the news yesterday. So I don't mind. Have you seen you treasured person of Trump? I didn't. I did not. Yeah, a little bit bearish, Ariane. I do remember our conversation about. Oh yeah, I remember that. That's right. Oh yeah. Yeah, we were talking about that. Oh man. I have to change my socks because I went into the bathroom and I stepped into some water. Just a minute. Much better. I got piss on my socks. I pissed myself this morning. What's up, Ruse? Welcome. Don't care about NSA. Oh. That ain't water, bro. Oh, man. Yeah, we're getting older. Yeah. 15-minute inversion gap. Let me check. I'm gonna look at ES. Interesting. 15-minute. Let me check the 15-minute here as well. It took off some liquidity down here. Yeah. So it can even continue higher. You know, take out the swing high. And by the way, if we look at the 15-minute a little bit closer, quite a nice swing high there. Almost like a bullish, I'm sorry, bearish order block. But we have a bullish candle up there, but still significant. Could be pushing it higher, as it does now. Devin, passed my combines, so first day underfunded. Congratulations, first of all. And, you know, just small steps, base hits. That's what you should do. Small steps, base hits. You should be perfectly fine, Devin. No need to rush anything. Exactly, Devin. It's a marathon. So you don't have to force any trade. Staying on the sidelines is just as big of a skill as pushing the button and execute. Key takeaway from my personal experience, you know, sitting next to the charts, being able to push the button but still not pushing the button is also a huge skill. So, you know, that's also trading by not pushing it. What is happening? What is happening? I feel like this one can still drop, but I don't know. This bearish engulfing candle on the 1 minute, which was at 206, could be pushing it down. Look at that. Look at that. Sam, what's up? Nice. Congratulations, Sam. Let me give you an applause. Congratulations for your payout. Nice job, Sam. By the way, that's a very good advice. Very good advice from JR Mohi. Yeah, don't trade on your first day on the funded. It's, yeah. Adrenaline is too high. You can make a mistake easily. And I mean, anyway. Yeah, take a day off or start another combine or whatever, or you know. That's also a very good advice. Very, very good advice. Okay. So far just ranging. Gold also ranging a little bit. It's actually full bearish right now since the midnight level, Eastern Standard. Not sure what it wants to do. 5 minute looks almost barcoded. If NQ decides to push it, then it should go to 934, I think. Yeah, right now, well, I mean, originally, if you think about it, the payouts are bi-weekly anyways, right? So however you can manage it, you know, the payouts are always happening every other week. But yeah, I know, I mean, it's a brand new prop firm. Everybody still has PTSD from fast tech trading, so I know. Oh, nice, Yono. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm checking their Telegram, and yesterday was Monday. I mean, everybody was posting payouts, and payouts are rolling out today as well, 3 times a week now because they do it manually. So ProfiTrade does pay. No major hiccups or anything. There was some minor glitches. Automation is going to help. But yeah. YBK saying I'm thinking sells. It might take Asia high though. Yeah. No rush. Let's just observe what it does. We still have the 924 up there. Relative equal highs. Small ones at 912. Not that significant. 934 would be the level to be taken out. So I'm gonna recover losses from FTT with ProfiTrade. Let's go, Sam. I'm very, very, very glad to hear that. Nissim, good morning. Good to see you. Beanie Player, what up? Hello there, Beanie Player. All right. So far, nothing special. Like those highs, but like to see it come down. Yeah. I agree. I also like those highs, but I'd like to see the 1 hour fair value gap down there below 64 being repriced or taken out or whatever. Actually, I'm a little bit tempted to jump into a short, but there's nothing here. So Let's just keep on waiting. Took out this high, the top of this bearish engulfing candle. Some relative equal lows. We have a 5-minute imbalance down there somewhere. I don't even know where. Down at 83. Not that significant, to be honest, but just in case. And yeah, so far that's it. Gold started to go down a little bit lower. There's a gap down there at 26.15 because of the news, maybe. Could go for it. Well, if gold is dropping like that, NQ can spike higher. Good morning, Trader Monk. Yoreget. Best DJ in town is here. Good morning. Good to see you. Yannick, what up? And as I promised to you guys, I promised to you guys yesterday, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway. Where is it? Giveaways. Okay. All right, giveaway started. Exclamation mark cash. A $50 giveaway, as I promised to you guys yesterday. We're gonna pick the winner before the London Open. All right. Good morning, Yoreget. Yoreget, Tamás. So we're going to finish up the giveaway way before the London Open. You know. Camille, good morning. Let's see if I forget to say hi to anyone. DL Zizinga, good morning. Friday eval deals, well, not so much, to be honest. Bulenox went back to 91%. Is the cheapest deal. Tick Trader is down 40%. ProfiTrade doing the 90% on the career accounts, but no special Black Friday deal. Slim Trady, what up? Good morning. Maggie, hey, good to see you. All right, guys and gals, ladies and gentlemen, if you Ellie doing 90%. Oh yeah. If you would like to go with Ellie Traders, Ellie Trader Funding, sorry, not Ellie Traders. That guy still lives in my head. Just click on the link. I don't have a special coupon code, but if you click on my link, it might give you the discount. The link is in the description also. But anyway. Don't forget, giveaway. You want to order some McDonald's? Okay, you're gonna get Hurka Kobas. Nikos, what I would do if I were you is watching Top Step TV. Maybe they're going to give some codes or resets. I don't know. Usually they don't do these kind of sales anymore. What they do is on Top Step TV, they handle out some reset codes or something like that. I was up 100 in an hour and got caught in a moment and ended the day. Hey, $100 profit is a very good profit, best DJ in town. It's, you know, for a day's work, trust me, it's okay. It's okay. Perfectly. Still good. Okay. Welcome everybody. If I forgot to say hello, then sorry. Jacques said something I can't read. Здравствуйте, ребята, from Vladimir. Здравствуйте. Okay. Tom, is there medicine for traders' greed? What do you know of? Yeah, alcohol. I don't know. Really. No, actually, alcohol is not good. It actually ignites it even much more. So no, medicine against greed. Go to church. I mean, I'm not even joking, by the way. Sometimes I start to meditate. Pray a little bit, talk with God if I have to, obviously. So 1100, dude. 1100. Shut the front door. Went down to negative 300 and back up to. Wow. All right. Vodka for Christmas? All right. I love vodka, by the way. I do love vodka. I think vodka is good. You should have stopped trading and locked out when I was 100. Yeah, you should have locked yourself. Yeah. You caught the gold move. Nice. Let's go. I still don't know what to do with this. I feel like it wants to push above the 912 area. So don't forget it, guys. Giveaway is still going on. 38 tickets already. I'm not even going to wait until London Open. You know, you ladies and gentlemen are the early birds. Early birds deserve a little bit of a surprise, well, gift, giveaway. Giveaway is for early birds. The hardest thing is DJ to know when to, know when to lock up. Exactly. You want a vodka? I know a very good vodka, by the way. A friend of mine actually has a liquor store, but not like the regular liquor store. He has really good stuff. And so I can get you some good vodka. Not that I'm an expert in vodka, but you know, it's not the kind of vodka that you buy at the local shop or whatever. Here in Kecskemét. All right. Gyere, bemutatlak, nagyon jó kis italboltja van. Van minden exkluzív. All right. What do we have? What do I mix it? Nothing. So I don't do the vodka martini thing. Yeah, I like it too, but I don't know. Just pure vodka. Boom. You know, it's not gonna make you crazy, and you can drink as much as you want, you know, if you're not mixing it. No, it's not hardcore, actually. If you're not mixing it, you can actually drink a lot more. Oh, Judith, I forgot to say hello. Good morning, Judith. Enter the giveaway, ! Cash. We're gonna pick a winner very shortly. So, yeah, I'm talking from experience. If you're not mixing vodka, with anything, you can actually drink a lot. You can drink a lot. But if you're mixing it, you're done, obviously. All right, what's it doing? Slowly edging higher. Gold is dropping. Repricing that gap. We repriced it already. Okay. There's one more gap down there at 612. Might want to go down. Whoa. Look at that. Just like that, NQ is pushing it. Again. It kind of feels like that. It wants to squeeze everybody, you know. I've never seen you journal. Mind explaining, I feel like it's very good for development. You know, journaling for me is, I mean, I do journal, but where is it? It's here. So I'm a dinosaur then, so I write down stuff on paper. You know, I write it down. I have a lot of notes. Not every single trading session, but I do have a lot of notes from every not every day, but every other day, I would say. I journal. And what I do is I write down my trades, like what I did good, what I did wrong, how I was feeling, what I should have done, but not like in a bad way, like, oh, I should have done this. Not like, okay, this was like this and I didn't do that. Next time I have to da da da. And so that's why I'm a dinosaur. And sometimes I use Notion as well, which is a free software, but not lately. In the past couple of weeks, I tend to just, you know, hold a pen and write down on paper what I think about the session. So I'm not going down to particular trades, but what I want to do though is I want to upload my trade results to what's it called? TradesViz. It's almost like TradeZilla. It's technically the same. And check out you know, my trades there. What is happening? Are we going down or what? Is this gonna go down to 83? I'm not sure. This was actually shifting structure. Just a second. The 1 minute shifted down, but if it shifted down, where does it want to go? Open up this 5 minute candle, 83.50. Below that, the 64. $64. Okay, I enter a short here. I entered a short. And I'm gonna take partial at 83.50. And the rest of the position is gonna be targeting 65. 65.25 if it gets there. All right. Oh, partial taken already. Okay. Partial taken. You guys didn't see it. All right. So partial profit has been taken. So I took partial there. And we'll see how it goes. I'd like to see this go down to the 1 hour BC down there, because it shifted down, and I told you guys that I'm pretty much married to the idea that I'd like to see liquidity taken from that level. And no, I am not putting it to break even. I don't care. If it goes up, takes me out, let it be. Oh, TradesWiz, I know that they're using it. Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, exactly. So TradesWiz can help you to track your intraday progress if you went out of your safety threshold or whatever. Roll the dice, close the giving. What? All right. Donovan, hey. Yeah, of course. Yeah, Donovan. So let me just say this. Yesterday, I didn't finish with the new banner. I am still 100% next to ProfiTrade. I'm trading with them. I was messing around with the logos here on the banner up there, but I'm going to do a slideshow. So, and obviously there's quite a few prop firms that I'm trading with. So I have to, stick with these ones that I'm already trading with. So I'm not going to ditch any one of these. We still have PTSD, as I said, from Fast Track Trading, but that's it. So I'm going to change the banner. I am definitely trading with ProfiTrade. They are rolling out payouts now 3 times every week. So all is good. And, check them out. I do have a video about them. So I have no issue with ProfiTrade as far as I can tell. Anyway, how is the giveaway going? Guys, 44 people entered. ! Cash. Yeah, Donovan, I think so too. With ProfiTrade, do you recommend the career accounts now? If your goal is long-term, Sam, if you want to go long-term and build up, so how should I put this? If you want to build up capital, build up the account, then yes, it's a good idea. Don't forget that the profit share is 50%, but they're going to monitor you and they're going to put you onto live. But I have to dive into the details because they came out with the career account last week, and I didn't really had the time to go into the fine print of everything. But my quote-unquote favorite evaluation is the Echo account. The Echo is okay for me. Echo is okay for me because I'm not looking to take out my safety threshold. So I just want to build up some safety net there. Booster is okay too. Anyway, look at this. Went back to the range. Reprice this 5-minute imbalance down there. That's where I took partial, and it might just gonna go up and push it. Seems like it doesn't really want to go for the BC down there. Quite interesting, right? Doesn't want to go for it. Echo is cheaper than Boost account. I don't know the exact number, but vodka. All right. If I win the 50, I'm getting another Americano. If I lose, bring it. All right. Let's do this. 49 tickets. I am going to close the entry. Exclamation mark cash if you haven't entered. Donovan, you got the ticket. Andras, hello. You got the ticket as well. I'm gonna wait a few more seconds. Exclamation mark cash. All right, everybody's getting the ticket. All right, I'm gonna count down. Money promoter, welcome. Mood Moon, Camille, okay, you're gonna win. Camille said it, he's the winner. 54 tickets. Dale Zazinga. Where have you guys been? Okay. All right. I promised that there will be a giveaway this morning, so here it is. The millionaire. Oh, it will be. Just a second. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm closing down. There you go. Okay, I'm covering the chat. If anyone is late, I'm sorry. All right. The winner of the $50 million giveaway. Also, the winner gets to establish a brand new prop firm and is going to be the best trader of us all. Is no other than the one, the only, the best. All right, 3, 2, 1. Notave, congratulations. Congratulations. Rigged again. Congratulations, Notave, for winning the $50 cash giveaway. Congratulations. I hope you have PayPal. I forgot to say this. I'm out of crypto. Totally. So yesterday I gave all my crypto to the winner. Let me log in. I'm gonna type in my email. If you can send me an email with your PayPal address, I can do it ASAP. You are welcome, Notave. Congratulations. So here's my email, and I can get it going for you ASAP. Congrats again. All right. That was a good one. That was a good one. You don't have PayPal. Oh, what do you have? Do you have... where do you live? Which country do you live in? Because if you have MasterCard or Visa, maybe I can do a direct debit card deposit, which is also instant. And if not, well, I don't have anything on crypto. That's the issue. But I can look into that. Maybe I can ask some help to do Venmo or Zelle or something. Wise. Okay, you have Wise? If you have Wise, it's all right. We can do something about that. Okay. Okay, then I don't know how it's working on Wise, but send me your Wise details. If you're a Wise user, it might not come from my account, but I have access to a Wise account. Wise tag. So there should be a Wise tag. Okay, that's like a barcode. Okay, so send me your Wise tag from your application, and or something, whatever, I don't know, and we can do something. Don't ban anyone. So Wise could work. bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-da-da-bum. All right, this one is still going. I'd like to see this go down really to that 1 hour BC. That would be awesome. That would be great. Is Boost Trail in ProfiTrade also direct funded? Well, one thing I know is that whichever package you choose, sooner or later they're going to put, they're going to put the profitable traders to live account. That's what their CEO said. So no matter which evaluation you take, if they see someone profitable, then sooner or later they're going to put the trader to a live account. So that assumes to me that that you should be getting it. All right. I received your email. Let's see. Let's see. Just a second. Time to close. It's definitely, yeah, it's looking very interesting. It's just it's not ready to drop yet. It's not ready to drop, unfortunately. So how do I do this here? Okay. I don't know this application too much. But should be okay. Jesus. Okay. Sometimes it's so complicated to use these applications. All right. It's done. The winner has been paid. Congratulations. I want a giveaway only for the DC members. We're gonna I don't know how to do that exactly, but we're gonna talk about it, how to do it properly. I don't think we can do it right now here on the stream, but we will find out some way to do it, okay? Slim Trady, what up? Work time, all right. Received it, all right, Notave. Congratulations, nice. Nice. $20,000. That kind of woke me up. 20K. All right. I guess. That's gonna be a lot of tickets. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to be sitting here for a while. That's going to be a little bit of a long stream. Not too much about trading, I guess. Look at that. Just look at that. Come on, go down, reprice that level. What if I turn my monitor? No, I don't want to turn it because then it goes back up. But if I shake my monitor a little bit, what if I do that? That can help, right? To speed it up a little bit. Definitely works, right? I know it works. Sometimes I do that. I have a few monitors in the trash bin already, but it works. It does not. Oh man. By the law of physics, if I shake the screen, it should be working. So At this point, by the way, I think I can put this trade to break even, but as soon as I would put this on break even, it's just gonna turn around. But again, if it trades above 95, then it's over anyway. So I'm just gonna put it to break even now. That's it. Because if it goes above 95, then I just don't want to be in that, because that's obviously it's gonna push it higher if it turns around now. Physics and trading equals profits. I know. Look at that. I'm putting it to break even. It immediately starts to go back. Always happens. Hold for 380. That's a little bit lower. The jinx, yeah. The jinx. So the idea on this one is to go down to the 1 hour fair value gap. That's the idea. Nothing more. Took partials already, so it's all right, you know. Price will drop, yeah. Look at this mother tucker. It's going up to take me out. As soon as it takes me out at break even with one tick, it's just gonna waterfall, boom, down. By the way, I was thinking to maybe stream on Rumble too, but maybe I won't. I can stream for multiple platforms at the same time. You know, build up an account on Rumble as well. Don't put stop loss, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Kick might be. I heard a lot of negative things about Kick. And so far that I was reading online and you know, I know Rumble is more about politics and all that stuff, but Rumble, on Rumble there's more, it's more free speech. So YouTube is not about free speech as we know it. YouTube is censored, no free speech on YouTube, and that's why Rumble could be also a good idea for long run. Who knows? I was on Twitch, by the way, in 2018. I was streaming gaming. I was streaming there, but only I was gaming there. I still have my account, but it's not under the same name, but I still have it. Oh my god. The London Open didn't go down there. What a bummer. What the but ah It's the market makers. It's the market makers. They're doing this. They watch the stream. It's their doing. You know what? It's too funny. It's just too funny. You know. It's too much fun. Oh my god, it's too much fun. I can't make this up, man. Alright. Yeah, it's the market makers are watching and they're doing it. This is too funny. Okay, I'm gonna go crazy here. I know you said it. I know. Ah. No. You know, if I close it now, it's gonna go to my TP. If I'm not gonna close it, it's gonna go up to my stop loss. So I can't do anything. It's a trap. It's a trap. It's the market makers. Everybody from the market makers are watching this. If I close it here, it's gonna go to TP. If I'm not, it's gonna go to break even, this part of the trade. Oh yeah, I can close actually one. I closed one. F you, market makers. F it. I closed one. It's a partial victory, right? There you go. All right. Well, it's guaranteed now. Nobody can take this away from me. Except myself. Okay, partial taken. I don't care. I'm not gonna move the TP. Oh my god. This looks so ugly. Look at this mother tucker. Look at this. All right. Well, what can we do? You can't say that it wasn't a nice trade. Partial taken. F them. Partial taken. Risk management, you know. Hey, I took off partials here and here. I guess it's a winner, right? Okay. Oh man. It's you can't make this up. You know you can't. By the way, I'm still bearish. What an ugly trade. You know what? It's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. Okay, okay. I'm not giving up that easy. $57. I might gonna put it to 57. I'm gonna lower my stop. If this would drop lower. I know it has a negative risk reward. I know. I'm aware of it. Yeah, it went for my stop and reversed down. I'm telling you, it's the market makers. It's the market. Peter, hey there. Steam, what up? Does ProfiTrade pay out on certain... Yeah, right now, Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays. They pay out 3 times a week now to catch up, but they're paying out. Come on. Come on. I know you want it. I know. I know you want it. Just go down. Just take it. Take it. Take it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come on. Come on. Just take it. Take it. Take it. You know, this is how you... Let's go. Exactly. NQ thought it can fool me, but I knew. I always knew that 65. It wants that 65. I knew it. I knew it. All right. It's entertainment purposes, you know. It's entertainment purposes. So. All right. They spent 6 hours retracing the Trump dump. Yeah. Okay, so now the 1 hour has been taken. I got my revenge on NQ finally. The market makers are now imagine the office of the market makers right now. Everybody is like throwing coffee mugs at each other and everybody's on the phone. Did you guys see Tom's stream? Did you guys see what he done? I thought we are gonna take him out and that's it, and he re-entered the trade. Why didn't you see that? Anyway. All right. Okay, Tom, I know you told me to not trade first day unfunded, but I caught the short and made an easy 250 already, done for the day. Lockout, Devin. I'm ordering you to lock yourself out. I forbid you to trade today on that account. So push that lockout button and you're done. That's it. 250 on your new funded on the first day. That's it. That's it. I want you to write down in the chat that you'll lock yourself out. And don't lie. All right. But anyways, congratulations. Good job. All right. All right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. He can trade on a different account, on a new Combine or Eval or whatever, you know. Move on to another account. You know, you can still continue to trade, but that account, leave that account. Continue to trade. Maybe paper trade, demo trade, whatever, or buy a new Combine or Eval or whatever. But leave that account alone. I also locked out my free Combine I got today. Whoa. Nice. Successful day. Yeah, nice, nice. All right. So you can paper trade, you know, if you still want to trade. Oh, yeah, Dan. Many, many, many times. Many times. That happened many times. Many, many times. And blown 1,000. Yeah, yeah. It happens. I've been tuning in every stream. Oh, thank you. That is awesome. Thank you, Beanie Player and Devin. It's my pleasure to have you on the stream. Welcome to the channel. So we have to come up with the plan now. Now that that the 1 hour BC has been tapped. What's the next agenda for NQ? What it wants to do? There's a swing low at 850. And there's a 15-minute fair value gap lower. Also, there's one more 1 hour fair value gap down there at the 840s. I'm gonna mark this up just as a reminder that there is one more 1 hour fair value gap down there. 1 hour BC. Okay. Yeah. So let's go down to the 5-minute. All right, nothing special. Yeah, that's painful. Thank you, being a player. Nice. Yeah, at least you made some profit. Yeah. Yesterday was a good day for me. Today still don't have any plan. Yeah, I mean, as far as right now in this London session, it can go. It can still push it up there to that 934 level is still interesting, and it was right after the new candle started, before the news, before the Trump news. So that area was the okay, so that was Trump right there. And we might go back, you know. We might just go back there. Well, it was like he wants to give like 20% tax to every import to Mexico. I mean, from Mexico, and to China extra 10% tax. And as I was reading on the news, this is how the market reacted when he announced that they are going to add extra tax for everything that comes from Mexico and China. And that's how the market reacted. Maybe I could be wrong. Alex, hey there. The market has determined that tariffs on maple syrup doesn't affect the Nasdaq. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Oh, thank you, Nissim. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you. And by the way, I'm going to update my banner here, but I also have trade. If you guys, for example, want to go with Tradeify, I know it's very popular with the instant accounts. My custom code is still not working, but if you click on my link and you type in Turkey, because of Thanksgiving, it's still going to give you a good discount if you want to go with instant funded. It's not on the banners there, but in the chat and in the description, there are some prop firms as well. Some good sales going on. And 99% of them, you can use the code tomsabo for the best available discount. Thank you so much. Oh, of course I do, Yokozuna. Just because you don't see, I told today I'm gonna change it. All right, after today I'm gonna change the banner because I was messing around with the banner. 100% I'm supporting ProfiTrade. I trade with them. Payouts are rolling out, no issues. I was just messing around with the banner. I'm gonna change it to a slideshow, and so I was just messing around with the banners. But of course, ProfiTrade is still good, and I will trade with them, and I'm going to get the payout from them. So nothing special. I mean, I like the business model. That's it. Obviously, they're brand new. I told this many times. Just like Tradeify is brand new. But you know. Thank you so much, Satoshi. Thank you. You just got paid. It's a good company. Nice. Congratulations. So just the fact that I took off the logo there, I can't put everything there. I was trying to play around with the logos, but if I squeeze them, it was too, you know, you can't see it because it would be too small. So I'm gonna change the upper banner completely, and there's gonna be a slideshow. It's gonna be easier and much better for view. So ProfiTrade, absolutely, 100%. Matt, good morning. Good morning. What up, Matt? What up? Just a second, I have to check on something here. I'm still building my Apex accounts as well. So, you know, everything is in the works. MyFundedFutures I'm still working on. And also the Take Profit Trader accounts. Yeah, they have the integrated browser dashboard to trade with Volumetrica. Maybe not the most user-friendly, but you know, especially if you're moving around or you're with the laptop or anything, it's easy to access and trade, which is a good thing. Give us a banger, Tom. Eat my last 50%. The past come by. Well, we just had a nice trade, so I'm still waiting for the next best setup. You know, but the ICT Robbins Cup thing. Well, I'm gonna say this, and I said it many times before. I respect ICT for his lectures, for his YouTube videos. There's nobody out there that provides so many educational stuff online on social media for free. So there's no arguing about that, and I learned a lot from those videos, and I respect it. As for trading wise, I'm a little bit confused. Let's just say it like that. Okay, I'm a little bit confused. I don't know what to think, honestly. I'm confused. I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings because I just said I still respect Michael Huddleston for all his lectures, even though I believe many of those stuff is an old concept that has been repackaged, which I don't care because I like the way he explains it. At this point, I am not 100% convinced that he can trade in that kind of magnitude that he claims that he can trade, right? Obviously, he also said that he makes more money from ad revenue and memberships as trading. But the Robbins Cup, I don't know. I'm following him from since Baby Pips, and he entered the Robbins Cup before. I was hoping that there's not gonna be some excuse, but you know, there is again. So I don't know. I'm confused. I'm not saying disappointed, but I never expected him to win the Robbins Cup in the first place, by the way. But why is he putting himself under so much pressure? I don't know, because I think it feels like he's trolling all the traders on social media, as he's mocking everybody on purpose, but I don't know why. Anyway, I'm not following him closely on Twitter or YouTube nowadays, but as I said, I respect his lectures. So there you go. I'm taking the middle road here, and that's it. abducted by the market makers. John, I'm in take profit with 10 PAs. Let's go, man. Congratulations. Going for 3 bigger accounts, also with more risk. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm losing on purpose. He did it on purpose so everyone would believe that his concepts not work. Yes, he is mocking them for using his lecture. Yeah, so guys, I have nothing bad or anything against him. I see that there is some beef going around, some beef going around between Patrick Wieland and ICT all the time on Twitter, and some other traders also criticizing him. I don't really want to get involved. I just watched some of his lectures about the concepts and trying to learn always a little bit more. In trading wise, I'm just confused if sometimes he posts, for example, yesterday, I just saw yesterday on Twitter that he posted a live recording, and you could see that it was AMP Live, so AMP Futures live account, and he made like $7,000 with 3 minis, I think. So it's very rare that he posts a video from a live account, and it was saying AMP Live from TradingView. Now, can you fake that? I don't know. He made $7,000 if it was not fake. How can you fake it? It said AMP Futures, $7,000. So, I don't know. I guess nowadays you can do anything you want online, but anyway. Oh, I'm out of coffee. Hello, Teacher FX. What up? That is pure comedy. If ICT wasn't teaching his stuff, then everyone was trading supply and demand. Yeah, that could be the case. Could be. E-Trade AMP. All right. No one trade like that in the industry. Luck. And that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna stay in the middle about the trades he posts. I'm just confused. That's it. Especially about the Robbins Cup. But you know what? I'm over it. I don't really care. I don't care if ICT can trade or cannot trade. I'm grateful for the videos and the lectures, and that's it. That's it. I learn when I can. Look at this. Gold repriced this level. Might want to go higher. There's a 5-minute gap here on futures, but there was here one as well. Repriced it. Maybe it wants to go higher. You just reminded me, I asked Hogue at Top Step and he said the house account is live money. He seems truthful. Hogue is a wise person, I think. I obviously I was watching Top Step TV mostly last year when they started out, and I think Hogue is now that's a good question. Would he lie about that? Because, you know, as far as I know, the house account was down hundreds of thousands of dollars at Top Step. Would they really throw out that money for some traders? As I mean, they hired some social media traders who we don't know much about. I mean, obviously they have the following as well, but would they just put on a few $100,000 with real life cash money to trade it? I don't know. But Hogue seems to be an honest person to me. So that's why it's a good question. The Trading Edge. What up? Good morning. Short? Are you short? Oh, let's go back. Let me go back to NQ. I'm watching what's it gonna do on this 1 hour BC. If his concept works for you, that's nice. Yeah, at least estimator. I'm not saying like, obviously there's so many other concepts and strategies that you got. I was trading supply and demand before ICT, by the way. Supply, demand, support, resistance, you know, kind of tried to mix the two. And so but so far it was okay. The guy can trade better than anyone. Let's be real. Yeah, Bowser. Yeah, Bowser. I use his concept. I mean, obviously he posts some great trades. I use his concept and you see 9-minute cycles. Oh, I see. You can think of the 7,000 threshold like an 150k boost and ProfiTrade. You can do 1-2 minutes with ease. Yeah, you can. Obviously, yeah. Down approximately 300k this year, according to MP. Keep in mind, Topstep makes millions of dollars in account fees. That's true. Yeah, so if you, I have my doubts that the house account is real money or demo, but that's also true. Like, they're making millions of dollars, so losing $300,000 year to date, you know, I guess it's not the end of the world for them. He comes from the pits. Yeah. I think he's a wise person. I think he's honest. So that's why if he says it's real money, then anyway. Hit the like button, thank you. Hogue seems like a nice guy, yeah. Lose their account. Oh yeah, by the way, let's not forget that, you know, let's just face it. Obviously, there's always some new traders in their Top Step TV live who are copying their trades, and you know, they're blowing up accounts. So in a way, they make it back, right? The company makes it back by new combines and activation fees and all that such. So it's an interesting thing. Ba-dum-bum. 150,000 customers paying at least one reset per week on average. 100 average reset. Easy. Yeah, easy money. Easy money. That's true. That's true, Dan. That's true. So much strange. London. Yeah, London just going back into chop session right now. We're going back to chop fest, and gold is also just struggling a little bit here. Some levels here, it might want to go down to 26.10. Anyway, let's go back to NQ. I'm trying to monitor gold as well, but it's not always good to focus on two markets. Well, sometimes, yeah, Dan. So Asia tends to be many times, especially in the past few weeks, Asia is better than this chop. Like look at how nice moves there was in Asia, and now we have this chop. Zoltan, good morning. NQ sitting at a VWAP. Oh. Something like yesterday afternoon, we're still not done on computer side. But, yeah. Yesterday was interesting. Definitely. On my 50k accounts, I think they put me on live already. The fields are different. So they're taking profit of my good trades. Oh, that's good to know, John. Somebody told me that on a live account, especially the market orders, could be, it feels like a little bit slower or lagging a little bit. A few milliseconds or something. That's what they told me. Especially on the market orders. The limit orders are somewhat okay, but still, the market orders could be a little bit more slippier or lagging a little bit. No, I understand. Értem, Zoltán, értem. I understand it. Relative equal highs up there around the 98, 94s, 95s. Nothing special. Oops, sorry. Just a second there. Just a second. I'll be back in a minute. The package arrived. I have to pick it up. All right, I'm back. Oops. I bought a Christmas present, and it got delivered right now. So, holiday volume, yeah, it could be. Yeah, who knows? Who knows, Dan? I want to withdraw from MyFundedFutures, but I can't get through verification. Well, you have to verify. Are they doing it or with the RISE verification? I know it can be. Wet milled. What up? Not used to trading in a live environment, just simulated. Yeah, could be. Could be. New walking shoes. No, actually, I bought earrings for my girlfriend, and it's a Swarovski crystal, you know, earring. She always wanted to buy it, and by the time we got to the Swarovski shop, it's not an expensive one. It was on sale anyway, and unfortunately, by the time we got to the shop, they sold everything. And but I found a website where they had spare one, so not spare one, but extra. And I just ordered it. So it's gonna be a small surprise for Christmas. And new socks too, yeah. It's actually not too expensive, you know, these I mean, obviously not that cheap, but you can buy some very nice jewelry for even for like $50, $70 or $80. So especially if it's on sale. Yeah, yeah. Okay, what's happening? Feels like now that it repriced the 1 hour BC, it might want to go up and take out these highs at 94. You know, it can happen. Could be a possibility. Market maker buy model now. Okay, if there's a market maker buy model, that's cool, because then we have some nice entry levels here that we can take. For example, for instance, look at this small 1 minute gap down there. How cute this one is. And we have another one here. You know what? I'm gonna put a limit order just for fun. Down there. All right. I've put a buy limit at 67. I know there's a gap here as well, but I put a buy limit at 67. Actually, the low of this candle, yeah, 67. If it goes down, no, it's not gonna go down. Then I'm jumping into a buy. If not, then not. That's it. So buy limit at 867. That can be a breakaway gap. Oh my god, yeah, that could be a breakaway gap. That's true. 330. That's true. Thank you for reminding. You know what then? What about these gaps? That's true. I'm gonna put it to 870. Eight 870.50. And I'm gonna go with the smaller position in case if it would drop down into this one, I might gonna add a little bit more to it. And we'll see. So buy limit at 870.50 in the middle there. Yeah, the macro is coming and equity is coming, so looks like gold might want to kick higher. All the way up to 21.3. Enter to a buy on gold. Took a buy on the gold here. This is my limit order on. Where is the gold? And no, not this one. Not this one. Okay, here's the gold trade. So in the gold as well. Let's see how it goes. Did ProfiTrade exit? No, no, La Rebecca. They're paying out people every 3 days, every week now. We just had this morning people saying they got paid out, and yesterday I was also on the Telegram. Lots of people rolling out the payout certificates and no exit scam. Oh, because of the logo. Sorry. ProfiTrade logo is coming back to the banner. It's coming back to the banner up there. I was just messing around with the logos. It's going to be a slideshow, by the way. I was just messing around with it. I promise ProfiTrade logo is coming back up there. I was messing around with some banners up there and it just can't fit. So I'm going to change the whole thing. So I didn't have time to change it. Oh no, my gold trade. I still have my limit order on. So ProfiTrade is super good, super great. I just didn't update the banner properly because they just can't fit. So I can't put TickTickTrader, Tradeify, ProfiTrade, and all this stuff next to each other. It's you guys won't see. I mean, it's unable to read it after some time. So I'm just gonna do the slideshow thing because the code is gonna be the same everywhere. So it's gonna be a slideshow option. But ProfiTrade logo is coming back, of course. Links are still in the chat and the description. They still have a sale on the career accounts, but the Echo accounts as well, and the Boost accounts too. What is going on? How is my limit order doing? Okay, it got triggered. My limit order got triggered right here. But where is it going? I need to put a TP up there to 96. All right, I'm gonna put it to 96. Oh my God, gold doesn't look too good. You know, that's the problem. If you trade two markets, like more than one, you're technically doubling your risk. That's the issue. Anyway. You are doubling your risk. Okay, it's going down into that gap. I might add two more, and that's it. Or maybe one more, I don't know. Adding one more. If it goes down there. Gold trade doesn't look good. Yeah, the equities are gonna open. Yeah. All right. Oh no. Oh no. It's not that I was expecting. I'm still in it, but it's really not what I was expecting here. Gold is gonna go to full stop here, which is okay. Small position there. Damn it, gold. Damn it, gold. Yeah, Gold stopped me out. Let's see if it wants to go up there. Holy Grail, what up? What's going on? Yeah, so we have still about an hour from the kill zone, and I thought that, you know, this one might just go back a little bit higher to those equal highs up there, especially after, you know, collecting all these orders, but it's still not going. Why is it not going? It should be going. Okay, so it doesn't really want to go up. Okay, all right, understand. Understood. Understood. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it. That milled. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I saw that. Yeah, I totally forgot to. I saw the alert that you sent me an email. Yeah, I see it. Well, we'll see. It took me out stop loss. Hello Teacher FX. It took me out with a stop. Where is it? Right here. It took me out. So I'm out of the gold trade. I was still hoping for this one to go back to those equal highs and, you know, try to deliver some orders to that area. But so far, not too much happened. Yeah, yeah. Well, it took off from this fair value gap here. Oops. This one. And also this other one. Down here. So it can work out still. There is a 5-minute fair value gap that starts at 96.25. So it can still go. Oh, the gold trade? Let me check. Yeah, I mean, I can still get back to gold. Obviously. So inversion gap. Which one? Oh, it's not over yet, Martin. It's not over until it's not at TP. It's not over until it's not at take profit. So all right, FU market. All right, sorry, almost triggered that. Okay, nice TP there. Nice TP. Beautiful. Triggered two micros, but I closed it. $4 lost there. But anyway, the trade was good. The trade was good. The real Tom is back in the house. Yeah. But the concept, you know, for picking up the position from down here. So the draw on liquidity at, look at how far it went, 96.50, just into, you know, tapping the 5-minute order block up there. Interesting. So this was ICT concept, and I guess it worked out pretty nicely, in my opinion. I guess it was quite alright. And I was only like, anyway, it wasn't that bad at all. I still think that gold should be going up to 26, 21.2 or 1 on the futures. It should go up there. So I'm a little bit not angry or anything, but it's a little bit frustrating that gold took me out here. Actually, took me out there, boom. And now look at it. And it should be going up there. 26, 21, 3. I don't want to re-enter now. I don't want to. But this one was okay. I liked it. And it still didn't go quite into that 5-minute gap. So it can be just a sweep here and then continue higher into that gap, which is cool. Yeah, we can just say VWAP test. Yeah. But without ICT. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can name the game as many ways as we want. Weave up point of control, whatever, you know. But, you know, it's gonna blast now? Could be. Could be. So 2 beautiful trades on NQ this morning and 1 loss on gold, which is cool. Still in the green. And I like it so far. It was pretty nice. Very good trades. Quite happy. Look at gold, man. Oh, well, look at this. Look at this. And this is the drawn liquidity up there on gold. Took me out, boom, and now there she goes. I'm not entering. It's the train has left the station without me anyways. So if I would go into a long position now, it would go down to the drawdown. So Murphy's Law. I'm not doing that. But I must admit that I did like these trades. So the price action was good. I liked it. How about you go short and I go long? Well, we can try to do that too. We can try that. The thing is that right now, I don't have a proper entry here. The final target could be all the way up above the 910. It can even go and, you know, take out the news high. You know, it can take out the news high from yesterday. So it can take it out. I'm not in a long, but look at this. It's gonna go. It's gonna go, and I'm gonna have some FOMO about this. But I tried. Tried what I could. Hello, Chipes, üdvözöllek. Elkéstél? Nem tudom. Volt 2 nagyon szép tradünk, meg egy gold, ami nem volt szép, de amúgy 3-ból 2 szép volt. Your target on gold would be... My target on gold would be somewhere at 2621.4 on the futures. So the first liquidity void, there's one here. Liquidity void at 2621.4. At least I would take some partials off here, and then I think it should go above 2623.1. But this would be my target. Look at this, man. I'm a little bit pissed off because I was feeling it. I was feeling it. You know. Why the picture of Trump? Because yesterday this dumpage here happened after Trump announced the new tax plans for next year against China and Mexico, and as soon as he announced it, the market just, you know, tanked. At least that's what everybody is saying. I was following the news, and everybody was saying like that was the reason for the dumpage. Good to see me. Something trading besides NQ. Thank you, Rebecca. Well, no promises, but I'll try to look at gold a little bit. I know I said it months ago now that, oh, I should be trading gold. I should be trading gold. But I'll try to. I really try to trade more gold from now on. Look at this, man. The FOMO. The FOMO is kicking in. The FOMO. Lemaradt, igen, egy kicsit lemaradtál. Most ad egyszer, amúgy nem szoktál sose, de most igen, kicsit. I was waiting for 2617 to break TP 2630, but it happened when Tick Trader now has trade await. Oh yeah. Tick Trader, guys, has trade await. Best code up there. I'm gonna go with Tick Trader as well because of the direct funded accounts too. It's down 40%, by the way. Yeah, 10% additional tariff to China, and I think 20 or 25% to Mexico, something like that. I don't know. No FOMO. How is the stop? Which stop? On gold? I got stopped out from gold. My stop was down here. I thought that it's not going to go down below the swing at 2613.9, but it did. I thought that it's okay, it should be going, and oh, look at that. Look at that. At least I have the moral victory by anticipating this area. So, but it was beautiful this morning. This NQ trades were absolutely great. Super great. So I think these NQ trades were my best NQ trades in the past like 1 or 2 weeks. TP hit on gold. Let's go. Congratulations. 1500 more and you passed. Let's go. We would be billionaire if we could create an anti-FOMO. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know, learn the skill to be totally emotionless. Is that a word? Emotionless, or without emotions, or I don't know the English expression for being without emotions, but you know what I mean. Then what is gonna be your daily profit on Tick accounts? My daily profit, Stoic. Oh yeah, that would be Stoic. My daily profit on Tick accounts. You know, I don't want to go for thousands of dollars, especially on a direct funded. I think I would be okay. For example, a 100K account, I would be okay with 500-ish, $300 to $500. If I make $300 to $500 on a 100K account, I would be all right. Oh yeah, let's go. 5K subscribe. By the way, yeah, I'm just 3,500 subscribers. Thank you so much, everybody. Really, 3,500. That's a nice whole number. This is awesome, and I couldn't be more grateful to you guys reaching the 3,500 subscribers. Yeah, 150K looks good. So thank you so much for everybody who's watching, and you guys are here in the London session. I know in the New York session more streamers are on and everybody is watching for the trades, but hey, I'm super grateful, and for all the support throughout the year and since last year, and very grateful, and especially for you guys for supporting me by using my affiliate codes. I never made a secret, and I never will, and I owe you guys a video where I will talk about the exact numbers. I couldn't make it without the affiliate commissions. I couldn't be here full time. without the support. So thank you. I much appreciate it. And I owe you guys a recap video of how I'm doing with payouts, and I'm gonna talk about the affiliate commissions too in a video, so stay tuned. Obviously Methodical Man and some others are talking about how much they make, so you can have an estimate of how I'm doing with affiliate commissions. If you would like me to go into details in the video, like absolutely breaking it down, I will gladly do it. I had somewhat personal reasons for not sharing everything about the affiliate commissions, but because I live in Hungary, that's one reason, and the other reason, tax issues and all that stuff. I do my best with the small company formation now, but I'm gonna gladly share my journey, how I did so far, and how I did the payouts from trading, how much I spent on evaluation accounts and instant funded accounts, activation fees. I think we have to put a clean slate and just, you know, to being more transparent. That would be the goal, right? No, all right. Why should you? It's your personal thing. Nobody should care how much you make. Yeah. Yeah. It's your job. Don't share what you make. We don't care. Keep it. Oh, yeah. So I'm still thinking, but I definitely have to do a recap about how much I've spent on evaluations, how much money I've spent on evaluations and activation fees, and how much payouts I did so far this year and how I'm doing. I think that is necessary, because so everybody would see how a journey unfolds to someone who is starting out with prop firms. Besides, aside from the affiliate thing, okay, just from focusing on trading expenses and payouts. So I think I can say that I'm net positive on payout from trading, but I'm going to come up with a detailed video about that. How much I've spent with Apex, Bulenox, ProfiTrade, and all the others, Take Profit Trader, and everything, MyFundedFutures. Okay, and so I can break down how I'm doing with those prop firms. I can already say to you guys that there are other traders who are doing way much better than I do. So other YouTubers who trade are doing, many of them doing way better than I am. I am behind a little bit in net profit. So, but slow steps. But in a percentage, percentage, and I'm gonna give you dollar amount and percentage too, so you can see, and also the time. So how much time I have spent until I reach the payouts. I'm gonna break it down to monthly. Since the summer, there was a huge gap this year for me. So I took payouts from Top Step in January. That was not even, no, sorry, that was in December, the last payout. In January, I took payout and February. And then since February, so March, 4 months. For 4 months, I did not have any payout from trading. For 4 months, no payouts. I was just burning accounts. Since July, August, September, October, I'm taking payouts every month from trading. December is going to be difficult because, again, I burned my funded accounts, unfortunately, again. So but we're getting there slowly. Couple of Lambos. Yeah, don't rush it. Yeah, doesn't matter. Oh yeah, exactly. Trading edge, more ways to roam. Yeah. For how long are you trading futures? Yeah, sure. Jacques, I trade futures since last year, September. August, actually. Late August, early September. I was starting with TopStep, and I got payouts, $4,500 in payouts from TopStep overall, but I've spent $5,000 for combines and activation fees. So yeah, price action is crazy right now. So last year, September, I would say, with futures. Oh yeah. Neighbors. Interesting price action, that's for sure. Interesting. We're stuck here. There was a neurosurgeon trader that was a guest on another podcast, and he said he blew many Simon funded accounts when he was starting. Oh. I wonder how he's doing now. He said it was as hard as... Oh, really? It was hard as medicine. Wow. So that's why they say the hardest way to earn easy money, right? Trading is the hardest way to earn easy money. I love that, you know. I've seen it at some point because of some behavioral things. Wow. Wow, interesting. So when a neurosurgeon says that, interesting. How is gold doing? Let me cry a little bit more. Oh. Took the final TP here. Should have 26 23.1. So gold is done for the London session right now. Trading is simple but not easy. Oh, I like that too. If we come back to VWAP and hold it, I will go long on gold. I don't even know where's the VWAP. Let me check it. Here's the VWAP. Okay. Actually, yeah. If we come back down here and yeah, we have some nice swing highs there. You can take along from the VWAP. Look at how beautifully it lined up with this area right here. The problem is people over leverage their prop accounts. I mean, realistically, they don't trade 50k. And that's just leverage. Yeah. And exactly, Michael. So realistically, and I know this from people who trade real live accounts, personal money. If you deposit $2,000 or $3,000 or $5,000 to, for example, to a futures brokerage account, you're not gonna go with 2 minis. You cannot even go with 2 or 3 minis in many cases. So you're not gonna go, even if you could, you're not gonna go. You're gonna go with 1 or 2 micros. That's how you're gonna go, with micros on your personal account. But the prop firm is giving you the leverage. Why? Because we are addicted to gambling. I'm sorry, it's the truth. We're addicted to it, and obviously many people are gonna full port it and gonna blow the account. Huge edge. You know, if prop firms wouldn't give you more than 1 mini or 10 micro, that would change the whole game. The whole game. For example, what if the regulations would say that? For example, the regulations would say you can't trade more than 1 mini or 10 micros. That's it. That's the maximum. That's the maximum you can go with. Oh, that would be changing everything. I think so. Anyway. prop firms would be sweating, because obviously blown accounts would be much less, right? They would be making much less money because people would not be blowing that much accounts. Hearing from top-step experience traders, 90% of retail traders lose their prop account in less than 90. Yeah, that's true. Trade your grandma's pension money and you will trade very different. Yeah. This is greed. Yeah, Jacques. Yeah. Yeah, I understand. Still bullish for the day. It's just when to enter for the day, yeah. 90% of retail traders lose 10K on real accounts in 6 months. But still, you know, in 6 months, average number 10K in 6 months, but here it's much faster. But yeah. As an experienced person, you will go for max, yeah. Most times the week of Thanksgiving is bullish. Oh, it is? Okay. Also, mentally random gains from trades gives... Oh, yeah. Dopamine hormone. Yeah, so for example, if I would be winning all these 3 trades this morning, I would be jumping upside down, you know, and you know, pulling down my pants and fire a rocket or something. You know, I would be doing crazy stuff on the stream if I would have won all my 3 trades. You know, 3 out of 3. You know, huge dopamine. You know, giving away $10,000 instantly. I would be doing all kind of stuff on stream, but it's true. So you have to treat that as such. So also, if you're on a winning streak, try not to celebrate too much on your winners. Try to be, you know, stoic. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing you win, but don't celebrate too much on it. I'm about 20 times leveraged less in real account. Yeah, Cedric, there you go. That was me last night, Tomstep XMA. Okay. I was also at that point where I blew account F through account. Lot of greed. 800 today, London. In 20 minutes. That's very good, Michael. Yeah, 200 in London. I would take it anytime. 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 For from wins, I still do sometimes. Then I have to control myself. So if I have some really good winning trades, especially on the funded accounts, obviously, then I tend to feel some euphoria. It's like, I mean, I'm very good vibes, and that's when I know, okay, now I can do 2 things. Either I stop celebrating and I'm starting to be real serious and think about something sad, you know, I need to pull myself back to the ground. So, or I just stop trading and just walk away. So it works in both directions. If I'm super happy that I made, for example, there was like 2 weeks ago, I YOLO'd a little bit with 2 minis on a Bulenox account, and I got the payout, by the way, and I made $1,000 on a funded account. And I made it to the payout. I was like, yeah, I'm the best, whatever. And then like 2 minutes later, okay, that's it. I should stop for the day, because after this point, I'm going to do stupid things and I'm just going to ruin my day. So I walked away. But at least I got the payout. And because I looked at the chart and I started to see setups which were not even there. You know, oh, it's going to go this way. It's going to go that way. Oh, I know it's going to go that way. No, that's when I knew, okay, that's it. We're walking away. This is it. So try to not celebrate too much, you know. Can you hold overnight on Bulenox? No, you can't. There is one prop firm. I don't know which one is that. The account is called Diamond Hands or something, but I don't know which prop firm offers that. Then you can hold trades overnight. There is a futures prop firm. I just don't know which one that lets you to hold trades overnight. It's Blue Sky or Earn to Trade or Elite Traders, something. One of those. You Profit? Okay, sorry. I know there is something out there that lets you to hold trades overnight. Look at this. We're going down again. What the heck is going on? You know, the funny thing is, I think gold is just going to keep continuing up there. It's going to go back to the midnight level. Now I feel like that. And I do have my super magical indicators. Whoa! Cryogenic! Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. So I have my super fantastic indicators from the future that tells me everything is better than an 8-ball, which telling me that gold is going up. So gold should be going to 26.1. Diamond Hands. Okay, there you go. Elite Trader funding Diamond Hands. I know I was reading the name somewhere. Market help us to be humble Oh yeah. Yeah, the market, I would say the market humbles everybody. FTMO has swing accounts with one to leverage. Oh yeah, FTMO. So if you're okay to trade CFDs, Nasdaq as a CFD, then I would say a CFD prop firm like FTMO, the Fivers, maybe Funded Next, but these CFD prop firms might be better. So if you definitely want to swing trade Nasdaq, I would go with the CFD prop firm. I think it would be much easier and more simple to go with. There's no monthly fees. You can hold with the swing account. Most of these prop firms let you to go with the swing account, I think. We can easily get 26,300. Okay, yeah, okay, 26.30. Yeah, we can go there. 26.30 and even higher, maybe a little bit. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, easy. 26.30.5 on futures. Let me look at the 1 hour on gold. Super easy. Wow. And look at this. This area up there. Boom. That's going to be revisited. I don't know when, but that, so obviously gold is it's a nice bullish scenario. I just don't know what this one wants to do. Look at the 5-minute on NQ. 5-minute fair value gap. Let me show you. Look at this. Tapped into that 5-minute CB. Boom. So what the hell is going on? I have to disable the weave up. I'm sorry, but I don't like the weave up here. And we still have some targets down below as well. If this one turns to, but I don't think it will. You know, as far as much as I zoom out and I put Donald here, I'm thinking that this is gonna go up and take it out. Is what I think. You're back. Hello, Camille. After the gym. Thanks for joining Trading Edge. Have a nice one. I didn't connect to my FTMO account for years. I mean, me neither, I think. Oh, yeah, actually last year. I think I was eyeballing the 2680 actually. 2665 your target. Could go. Could go. So if I zoom out on the 1 hour, everything tells me that this is going to go up and take out the 924. And we didn't even go to the mid-level, the 898 up there. What is that? Yeah, that's 898. I would say, yeah. So it should take out the 909 and higher. But I'm just reading the tape. I mean, that's just a tip. Yeah, tricky London session. It is. As 5 minutes, you mentioned also played a role in November 15, November 6, and back in mid-July. Oh, it did. Oh, interesting. I haven't even noticed that. Choppy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have an appointment to go to, so I have to cut the stream here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in the New York session for the market open. I hope some of you guys can join me later as well. Thanks again for being here. I'm super happy we reached the 3,500 subs. Awesome. Thanks for the support and everything. I'll be back, and if you would like to support the stream, use my code. tomsabo works at most of these platforms except Tradeify, but if you click on my link and use the code TURKEY, you can get a 40% discount. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. You guys are awesome. God bless you all. I'll be back in New York session, all right? Cheers, everybody.